about sexual disorder related to alcohol intake, so we are getting lot of questions regarding these doubts. Where a male partner or a female partner having abuse to the sexual habits because of alcohol or getting alcohol abuse and related sexual disorders. So, going into the details of sexual disorder, it can be called when your sexual cycle is hampered, so a good sexual health is very important for good quality of life. So if you take males, a moderate amounts of alcohol will produce a mild euphoria in the initial state, so in this euphoria, they tend to feel that they are performing well in their sexual of this thing, but if the intake is more, this hampers the sexual health, so it acts mainly on the vasodilation in the peripheral parts. You feel a lightness in the body and it decreases the blood supply to the major organs like cardiac, brain, and including your pile area. So in the initial euphoric state, when the vasodilation happens, there will be more gush of blood into the penis and you feel like you are aroused, but in high amounts. When you are intoxicated, it causes vas constriction because it is a body defensive mechanism to restrict all the blood going along with the alcohol into the major vital areas, so sexual performance will be reduced. Secondly, in the center level, it acts on the brain and in the stress response areas, and it will dumb your senses. And thirdly, it acts on the testosterone. It reduces the production of testosterone instantly. And fourth thing, it binds to the other sex binding hormones, where testosterone acts through on those organs which they need to allow it to make aerosol, so it decreases aerosol. And secondly, it decreases the sensations. It numbs your senses, so the orgasm will be reduced. And if coming to the female part, even alcohol abuse in females has been drastically increasing in this modern era. We have claimed that 74% of population in women's in metro cities are abused to alcohol, and they are having sexual disorders, though not disclosed, and reaching for medical attention voluntarily. So among the females, if you are seeing for the sexual disorders, they are mainly lack of desired dysporon, that is painful sexth, lack of aerosol, and decreased orgasm. So these things are also common. And the fifth and major thing is, which they cannot enjoy, is decreasing lubrication because of the direct effect of alcohol on the vaginal receptors. So alcohol abused is directly related to the sexual disorders. Taken in moderate amounts, it is okay. It produces a euphoria, a state of wellness that is only for a few days till you depend on that alcohol content. And once you reach that threshold, once these receptors are saturated for the regular alcohol content you take, and when you are intoxicated with higher amounts, it tends to produce a sexual disorder. So thank you.